welcome to Embody Harmonics Yoga. My name is Samuel, and we've been looking at how to jumpstart a yoga practice at home. In this video, I want to talk about some of the benefits of yoga briefly, and then some of the benefits of doing yoga at home. You're here probably because you suspect yoga would be really good for you. Specifically, yoga is great for the body. It helps our posture stay healthy, our body stay strong, our joints pain-free and limber, so that we can continue to move around this planet comfortably as we get older. Yoga is great for peace of mind and well-being. It can help us de-stress and calm down. It can help us focus. And as I like to say, yoga prevents me from being a raging jerk. So why would you want to do yoga at home? It can be awesome to go to a studio to do yoga. There's a community there. You can meet people. Somebody else cleans up the studio. Gotta love that. But if you choose to do yoga at home, there's some key benefits. Number one, convenience. Even if your yoga studio is close by, with travel time and setting up and breaking down and making sure to get there in time to sign in, you could be looking at 2 hours out of your day for a 1-hour class, and that's a lot if you're a busy person. There's also access, right? If you choose to go to a studio, there may be a limited number of styles of classes that they offer. Whereas if you practice at home and you go to the internet or to videos or from books, you can take your pick of any number of styles that suit you, maybe better than what the studio has to offer. It's more private. I have one friend who refuses to go to yoga classes because she doesn't like big, sweaty men close to her. And she always feels a little claustrophobic, and so she prefers to stay at home. Also, there's a lot of weird, bendy poses that we do where your butt's sticking up in the air, and maybe you don't want to worry about whether somebody else is looking at you and what they think, right? Yoga is all about our own relationship with ourselves and being non-competitive. So hopefully that attitude is fostered in any good yoga studio anyway, and people aren't being creepy. Nonetheless, when we are putting ourselves into vulnerable positions and shapes, for some of us, having the comfort and privacy of our own home might be more supportive than going out to a studio. So that's it. If you have any other suggestions for why you are choosing to do yoga at home instead of going to a studio, I'd love to hear them. If you have any other comments, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And please remember to like and subscribe the video because it helps a lot. And I will see you in our next video when we talk about your intention for wanting to do yoga. See you soon.